Mark Zuckerberg announced via his Instagram story that we will be receiving a Meta Connect on the 25th and 26th of September. This will likely include the announcement of the brand new VR headset, the Meta Quest 3S. So my job in this video is to tell you guys everything we know about this device, from the specs, the rumors, the leaks, and all the information that we have. In one of my recent videos, we discussed some of the leaks about this headset, such as the resolution being 1832 by 1920, which is slightly lower than the Quest 3s, but higher than the Quest 2s, 128 and 256 gigabyte models, and the likelihood of this device using the same lenses that are found in the Quest 3. It's expected to have the XR2 Gen 2 chip found in the Quest 3 and popular modern VR devices, but we still have so much information waiting to be confirmed. So this device will be a middle ground between the Quest 3 and the Quest 2. A lot of people feel that the Quest 3 priced at $500 is slightly too high for them willing to invest in VR. And most people who already are in the VR industry understand that the specs that you get for the price are actually quite incredible with the Quest 3. So the other option was the Quest 2, but unfortunately it looks like the Quest 2 is coming to the end of its production cycle, with the 256 gigabyte models no longer being sold, and two recent games, Alien Rogue Insurgent and Batman Arkham Shadow, not being available on the Quest 2s. And the fact that both of these games are being developed by Camouflage, I believe I said that right, here's the text, which are Meta-owned studios, suggests that the Quest 2 is coming to the end of its cycle. And the reason the Quest 2 was so amazing was because its $200 price point for entry into VR. A lot more people are willing to spend that kind of money to invest in virtual reality. So with the Quest 2 coming to the end of its cycle, it looks like the Quest 3S is going to be an upgraded light version of the Quest 2. Probably going to be priced around $300. Nothing confirmed, but it makes total sense for Meta to release a model like that for people who want to get into virtual reality and augmented reality. There are rumors about a Quest Pro 2 in the works as well. We'll talk more about that in a future video, so maybe subscribe if you're enjoying. The Apple Vision Pro has undoubtedly brought a massive amount of interest into augmented reality, but their price point of $3,500 is way too excessive for people to even consider getting into the virtual market. So having a really affordable option is going to be game changing. Now there's also talks coming from the Wall Street Journal that Meta will be working with the Chinese company Tencent, bringing a cheaper version of the Quest 3 to the Chinese market. The Wall Street Journal reported this as being a cheaper version of the Quest 3, but using less expensive lenses, such as the ones that we saw in the Quest 2. So it's basically going to be a Quest 2 with AR capabilities and a more powerful GPU. Now Meta did state a while ago that all future headsets will include inside-out upper body tracking, and they said it's going to be on all of their future headsets, so we can only assume that this will be available on the Quest 3S. This is also supported by the sensor designs that we've seen via the downward facing leaks of the Quest 3S. Now on the front you can see that it's got the 3 circles instead of the 3 line design. We're guessing that 2 of the sensors are infrared fisheyes used for tracking, and the others are colored cameras for mixed reality. And then the third camera is likely to be an infrared illuminator, allowing the Quest 3S to have clear view of the environment and room around you, regardless of your lighting conditions. This is a much cheaper, cost-effective version of the Quest 3's depth sensor, but of course that is speculation and only time will tell. Meta themselves even managed to slip up a little bit. On one of their store listings, under the support section, they had it saying supported by the Meta Quest 3S. This was on multiple app store pages and even included on an upcoming game, Allo Moves XR. This metadata was removed so quickly, within a few hours, suggesting it was accidentally leaked by the team. To me, this is pretty strong indication that the device is 100% called the Quest 3S. Not a Quest 3 Lite model that people speculated, but the Quest 3S. Also on the Quest 3 update version 66, they showed the brand new reduced warping feature for the Quest 3 battery pass-through. Now, in the background, people are speculating that this is actually the Quest 3S. It looks kind of comparable by the side shot, and it looks very much like the device, but unfortunately, we have no confirmation until they announce it themselves. In the comments, let me know if you think the Quest 3S is a good idea, and will you be buying it? I'm going to respond to every single comment. If you check out my Shorts tab, I'm uploading daily clip of VR gaming, as well as the Lordsi VR TikTok. We're also posting games there. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Lordsi. I appreciate you. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.